Hi, I'm Mason Rothstein with the Mason Law Firm. So what should you do after a burn injury? Burn injuries can be very serious, so please treat them accordingly. Whether it's from a car accident, a workplace explosion, hot liquid, or even a kitchen accident, the first few minutes are important for your health and for your potential legal case. Burn injuries can be summed up into 3 words: treatment, documentation, and evidence. If the burn is less than 3 inches and you're able to do so, run the infected area under cool, not cold or icy water for between 10 and 20 minutes. If the burn area is over 3 inches, if it's in your face, hands, feet, or groin area, or if it's blistering badly, go to the emergency room as fast as you can. If a healthcare provider gives you instructions as far as medication, wound care, and follow-up visits, follow them vigorously. It is important that you take care of the infected area to the best that you can in order to avoid infections or future problems, including scarring. It's also very important that you follow your doctor's advice, not only for your health, but for any possible legal action later on. Next, you need to document the incident. So, you want to photograph the burn immediately after it happens. You want to photograph the area every day for a few weeks. You want to photograph the burn as it starts to heal. And you want to photograph any scarring that develops. If the area or the scene is important, also photograph that. If it's caused by an item, a product, or workplace situation, photograph those. Next, you need to preserve the evidence. So, whatever caused the burn, if it's possible for you to hold on to it, do so. Keep the evidence. If it's a cup that malfunctioned or disintegrated in your hand, keep the cup. If it's a product that caused the burn, hold on to the product. So you want to not only document it, but you also want to preserve the evidence because later on it's going to become important. Now, when it comes to insurance companies, they're going to want to try to settle a burn case as soon as possible and before you even had a chance to find out what your actual injuries are or what you're entitled for compensation. So never rush into any kind of a settlement negotiation with an insurance company. You should also talk to a personal injury attorney and one who's handled burn injury cases. He or she can help you and guide you to what steps to take and the best course of action for you to get the most compensation that you deserve for your burn. At our firm, we've handled many burn injury cases throughout my career, and we're more than happy to sit down and talk with you should you ever find yourself in a situation where you suffered a burn injury case. We do this on a contingency basis, so there's no money out of pocket. Feel free to contact us with this or any other questions you may have. And if you like our video, please follow and subscribe. My name is Mason Rothstein, and we meet our clients by accident, even if it's unfortunately a burning accident.